So again, we want Pascal's triangle, so we've got the first 4 appearing, first number 4 appearing, so 1 and 1 here, and of course 1, always 1s at the ends, 1 and 1 makes 2 and 1 there. Next row then we've got 1, 1 and 2 makes 3, 2 and 1 makes 3, and then 1, and then final row then 1, that adds up to 4, 6, 4 and 1. So the general formula we need, a plus b to the power 4, okay, so it'll be a to the power 4, yeah, plus then the second coefficient there is 4, a cubed, so we reduce the powers of a and then b, plus then the next coefficient is 6, a squared, we continue reducing the a's and increasing the b's, plus then 4, a and b cubed, okay, so reducing the a's, increasing the b's, final coefficient is 1, b to the power 4. So what we do then is we substitute in our terms, okay, so a becomes x, b becomes 3 over x, okay, so a then of course is x, so it'll be just x to the power 4, x cubed there times b, so we've got that there, alright, plus then 6, and then a is x, so x squared, b squared, so I'm going to put that in a bracket, so I'm going to square it, plus then 4 times x times b cubed, plus then b to the power 4 at the end, okay? So let's simplify this a bit, x to the power 4. Now what I do here is I'd multiply the big numbers together, right? So 4 times 3 is 12. And then what I want you to appreciate is the x cubed on the top and x on the bottom. Well, you can divide these and it'll cancel an x on top and bottom. So you actually end up with x squared. The other way of thinking about it is, you know, with regards to rules of indices, when you're dividing, you take away the powers, yeah? So it'd be 3, take away 1, which will give me 2. Here, I'll take my time on this, so I'm going to square this first. So I'll have, if I square this bracket, I've got to square everything in the bracket, so I get 9 here, x squared on the bottom. Cube this, so I get 27 here, okay, and then x cubed here, I put in the bracket, I didn't need to have a bracket, doesn't matter. And then at the end then, 3 to the power 4 is 81, and x to the power 4. So just to finish off, x to the power 4, plus 12x squared. Now I hope you can see that these will cancel, x squareds cancel. Again, use rules of indices, because it'll be like 2 take away 2, the powers, 2 take away 2, because you've got that on the top, divide by that on the bottom. 2 take away 2 is 0, isn't it? So x to the power 0 then is just 1, so they cancel. 6 times 9 is 54. Here then you've got 4 times 27. 4 times 27 is 108. With regards to the x powers, well, you've got x here to the power 1, haven't you? If you take away 3, because you've got x to the 3 on the bottom, well, 1 take away 3 is minus 2, isn't it? 1 take away 3 is minus 2, so that'll be like x to the minus 2, which of course I can write as x squared on the bottom, and then 81 over x to the power 4 then to finish off.